Hey guys, it's Dale Calvert. In this presentation, I'm going to share with you why I think it's real easy to come to the logical conclusion that Collect Direct will be the number one highest paying company over its history in the history of network marketing. To me, it just makes sense. Number one, we're tapping into a $450 billion market, and we're not asking people to change brands. The problem and the reason that consumable network marketing companies are having so many challenges today, and I think the market has just tapped itself out, honestly, the consumable products market, because it doesn't matter what your skincare line does, it doesn't matter what the science is behind it, the number of testimonies and celebrities that are using it. uh, the market has heard it all before, and it doesn't matter if we're talking about household products or any type of consumable, skincare, makeup, obviously nutrition. Uh, Network marketing distributors have been in the marketplace telling the story for so long, and the consumers out there in the marketplace are just at a point where they've heard it all, they've seen it all, they don't want to hear it anymore. They've got their products that they use, they're happy with it, they're comfortable with them, and they don't like to change. And if you're trying to promote a consumable nutrition or essential oil or CBD or whatever, you know that what I'm saying is exactly true. That's what you're running into. Now, right now, we have a $450 billion market, which is the collectibles market, and we're not asking people to change brands. If that tweaks in your brain, it can get real exciting. I remember years ago, Success Magazine had an article, and it said, if people want what you're selling, you'll get rich. What do collectors want to do? What do collectors want to do? Add to their collection. Add to their collection. I hope you got that shift. I hope you see the distinct difference. And I think that's one of the many reasons during this pre launch we have had so much positive response in the marketplace. We're not asking people to change brands. That's a key fact, and it's a reality. It's not some kind of marketing pitch. It's just an indication of the market in which we are in. It just is. Second thing, the collector market right now is at 450 billion, but it's projected to go to 1 trillion by 2033. And the only question that a lot of entrepreneurs are having is, can Collect Direct get 1% of that market and be the next $1 billion company? And for many of us, we believe absolutely we can. Absolutely, without question, we can. And again, it's projected to go to $1 trillion by 2033. So when you really stop and think about that, how huge the market is, how much business is out there for us to get our share of, and then the next thing is what really should blow your mind. All customer volume is paid on the back end in a unilevel plan. And you can see it 5%, 4, 3, 3. You can see up to 7 levels you can draw in this unilevel. Now, what we're going to do, uh, I believe that when it's all said and done, the average collect dis, collect distrep, collect distrep, collect direct distributor will have 100, 200, 500, 1,000 customers, because it's so easy. I can go to a baseball card show and ask people there, hey, have you all heard of Collect Direct? Have you heard of Collect Direct? No. They've got the largest private collection of baseball cards available. Here, scan this, and give them the app. They scan it on their phone. They get a $5 gift card that they can go and use as long as they use it within a certain period of time. they place an order. Now that customer is tied to me from now on. So before they make a purchase, they're going to check just to see if the item is on our website. We've got the largest. We're starting uh, with approximately $2 billion or more in collectibles that ultimately will be available. Not just baseball cards, Beanie Babies, Hot Wheels cards, Barbie's cards, Star Wars, Star Trek, Legos, and the list goes on and on and on. So it's a huge, huge market of customers that are already out there that want to add to their collection. Because of that, again, the customers the number of customers that will be attracted to this. It's going to be a 100% product driven, customer driven company, and this is what you really have to wrap your mind around. What I'm getting ready to share with you now, and again, team builders, you've got to catch this vision. If we just stop and think about it, whatever program you're working right now or have worked in the past, what's the average customer BV per team member? What if you looked at your genealogy and the people on your team, what's the average order rate? Well, it depends on what the BV qualifications were, right? If your BV qualifications is $100, and I can tell you your average order rate is between 100 and 120. You can look down through your genealogy and you would see 107, 117, 103, 119, 122, but it's going to be right around each individual distributor. It's going to be right around the BV rate requirement, whatever that is. In this case, $100. You know that, I know that. And I've said this many times, and people are starting to really understand this. If your customers are your distributors inside your network marketing box, your upside potential is limited. You're limiting your upside potential. You just are. Now, imagine if each one of those numbers, each one of those distributors on your genealogy, it was representing the volume from 100 customers or 500 customers or 1,000 customers, because people had shared the app with people that are passionate about adding whatever that collectible is to their collection. On the back end, we'll see orders for 500, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000. I mean, we're going to have some items on this site, like a 67 collectible Camaro. Automobiles will be on here that could sell for $100,000. Wrap your mind around that. Okay, compared to anything that you've ever done in any product in this profession. So what will all this look like when the average person, the average distributor in your genealogy has 100, 500, 1,000 or more real customers? I hope I was able to explain that, and I hope you're starting to get a glimpse of what this can really be. And why I sincerely believe once people catch this vision and they see what's going to happen here and what's already happening here just in the pre-launch, that it will definitely be, in my opinion, the last network marketing company most people ever join. If you know how to work, if you're not afraid, if you've got a good work ethic, if you're willing to get the message into the marketplace, and there's more ways to get the message in the marketplace here than with any product line you've ever represented. It's like fishing in a barrel, and we have everything lined out and to show you how to do that and how to acquire those customers. Um, this will be the last company you ever join. Why would you join anything else? Because nothing else has this type of income potential. and the work is the same. Do you really want to go out there and compete with GNC and all the health food stores and Walmart? Or do you want to go into a market that has zero competition, no network marketing company in this space, and there never will be? There never will be. I mean, really take some time and think about this. If you want to learn more, probably the best way, because honestly, we're not looking for everybody, but if you're an experienced marketer and this is making sense for you, you can go check out last lastmlm.com. Lastmlm.com. Thanks for watching. Hope this spoke to you. My name's Dale Calvert, and talk to you soon.